Could you please help me with the name?
My name is Darshit Javeri. I am associated with Javeri and Javeri Architects.
How long have you known pen workers in the business?
So, in the business, I am here since 6 years now with Javeri and Javeri, but I have known pen workers along with a very long time. Actually, I can say my lifetime because my parents and my grandfather was associated with them.
Because you've been through the generations, what is that key factor that remains constant throughout in all the generations?
It's a very simple thing, which is their consistency in the whole thing and the quality which they provide and the way of working. Like they work as a family, and that's the reason the goodwill has been formed.
And what is the perception about their product in your mind?
Perception is nothing. I'll tell you just simple finesse and best of best things which are available in the market.
But there might be some area where they could improve. So, I mean, it might be near about to perfection, but something where there's a
tell
scope
you
of
something-
improvement.
Yeah, so I tell you something that it's not in my power to say something in which they would improve themselves, but I just wish them all the best because, yeah, I am new to this thing. So, for me to gain some knowledge and then come for that opinion that what they should improve in.
And I hope that you continue to gain experience with them so that you develop a better bond in
Yeah,
future.
So I have been working with Anmol sir, and now I look forward to work with Kavish as well.
All the best.
Yeah,
All the
thank
best.
you so
Thank
much.
you so much.